Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I will share a beautiful Eid al-Adha story with you. Our story name is Ali and his beautiful goat. In this story, we will learn kindness, sacrifice, and love for Allah. So stay with us and enjoy this beautiful Islamic story.
Ali dear, tomorrow we will go to the animal market and bring a
Goat.
for Eid al-Adha.
Really, Abu?
I want to come too.
Ali beta, you are still awake?
Abu, I am thinking about tomorrow.
You really want to go to the mandi?
Yes, Abu. I want to see all goats.
Inshallah, tomorrow we will choose a beautiful bakra.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
Subhanallah.
So many beautiful animals.
Yes, beta, the mandi is full of beautiful bakras for Eid.
I want to see all goat. Abu, I really like this goat. I want this goat.
Yes, beta, this bakra is very beautiful. But remember, beta, we choose beautiful animals for Allah, not to show off to people. Qurbani is about love for Allah and obedience to Him. Remember, children, we should always be kind to animals.
I will take good care of my goat. My goat is the most beautiful. It is bigger and stronger.
Ali, we should never make others feel bad. Good Muslims speak kindly.
Your goat is beautiful too. Drink water slowly, my friend. Fresh water makes my goat happy. Abu, Allah loves Qurbani.
Yes, beta. Qurbani teaches us obedience. Bismillahi Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah, accept our Qurbani.
Eid becomes beautiful when we share.
MashaAllah, beta. Allah loves those who help poor people.
We should also help others on Eid. Eid Mubarak, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our beautiful Eid story. Always love and care for animals. Be kind, share with others, and always remember Allah. Please watch our full video, like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more beautiful Islamic stories. Eid Mubarak, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our beautiful Eid story. See you again. Allah Hafiz. I love you so much, goat. Eid Mubarak.